In this video, we're going to show you how to install the gas tank straps on your Nissan Versa located underneath your vehicle. And we're going to set up our jack underneath our tank on this particular side. Going to put a little pad there to protect the tank. Now we're not going to lift the vehicle, simply going to apply a slight amount of pressure, holding the tank in place. Now we're going to do one strap at a time. That way there, we won't need as much assistance to hold this fuel tank in place. Using our 13mm socket and extension with our impact driver, let's go ahead and start to loosen these bolts. Go ahead and drop this one down, and then we'll go ahead and remove the rear bolt completely and drop that strap down. Feed the other strap up, get the bolt started. All right, now look at that one in several threads. Let's install the bolt on the front side. Now I put the bolt through the strap. I'm going to feed this up, line that up, and I'm just going to try and start that with my socket and extension by hand. All right, we have them in. Let's go ahead and snug those down. Now let's go ahead and lower down our jack and slide it over to the other side. Do the same here. Bring it up. Just apply a slight amount of pressure. Working on the rearward part of the strap first. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt. Feed our strap up with the bolt. We're installing the forward bolt first. It doesn't matter if you do the front or the rear. Let's see, get that one in. Let's go ahead and install the back bolt. Always start these bolts by hand. You don't want to cross thread them. Now that we have them both started by hand in several threads, go ahead and snug those down. Can now go ahead and lower our jack. Going to remove that. And then at this point here, go ahead and take your vehicle off your jack stands and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.